Real change, real results. Is your team ready for change? Do you have the tools to overcome resistance and ensure change success? This 21 hours course is designed to help you understand the ACMP Standard and its change management framework. Assess organizational readiness, its culture and key stakeholders. Develop engagement and communication strategies using cultural intelligence. Implement change impact and resistance management techniques with adaptability. Monitor, measure, and sustain change for long-term success through collaboration and resilience. Titled, Change Management: The Success of Transformation Efforts, this course is led by Nancy Nuame, a certified change management practitioner with over 25 years of experience. Unlike most change management courses, this program is fully aligned with the ACMP Change Management Standard and emphasizes the immediate application of shared practices through hands-on exercises and real-world case studies. Nancy has simplified the process by developing the A3 Change Management tool, empowering participants to seamlessly integrate change management into their organizations. By the end of the course, you will confidently apply strategies to enhance performance, sustain results, and integrate change management at any organizational level. Join us and become part of a community committed to driving transformation. We look forward to seeing you during the course.